So in the last video I said that I was kind of sick and tired of this project, but this whole wall run jump thing was really bugging me. So I came up with a solution. So first I'll explain. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to explain what I did. So when the jump button is pressed, um, there's there's a jump when the character is running on the right wall, and there's another one when he's running on the left wall. So I'll just focus on the right one, uh, just to keep it simple. So when the button is pressed, it checks a raycast to its left side. So if he's running on the right wall, it casts a raycast to the opposite side to see if there's a wall. If there's no wall, then it does whatever it's been doing. He just jumps away from the wall. There's no other wall on the opposite side. But if there is a wall, if um, if uh, if there is a wall and he happens to be running on the right wall, then can jump to wall left is set to true. As soon as that is set to true, actually all this stuff doesn't apply. Cancel these out. Same with as soon as that's set to true, in the update function, all the way up here. So under update, as soon as that is set to true, then it basically does the raycast again, because I can't use that raycast information down there. So I have to create another one to grab this hit information. So once that can jump to wall left is true, meaning if there's a wall on the opposite side and he's running on the right wall, then the key piece of code is this one right here. He moves from his position to the hit position within a specified, I think this is a specified speed. So the lower the number, the slower he goes. But the key thing is vector3.lerp. So this lerp thing is the one that I've been looking for, and I finally found it online. So he moves to that opposite wall within a certain duration. Can wall run right is set to false, and he starts a quarantine. Cannot jump to wall left. Basically, I'm taking this after I set it for 3 seconds. I'm setting that variable to false because it has to go back to false at some point, because by default I had those can jump wall to wall left and can jump to wall right. By default they're false, so they're only momentarily set to true. So with that done, I'm going to hop over to the editor. I'm going to hit play. Still not perfect, but it's way better than yesterday where he doesn't go through the wall. So if I'm running and I press the jump, and he jumps to the other side, but at some point it stops working. Like I can do it like 2 or 3 times, and then there's something wrong with the code. But the point is, he's not going through the wall anymore. So he jumps to the other side. So as you can see, it's working. So yeah, that's basically it. The only thing that I have to fix is when I'm trying to jump to the other wall, I have to keep the right button pressed down, because in order for him to engage in the other wall, let's just say can wall run right? In order for this to be set to true, he has the is running has to be true. This one I can cancel out because it doesn't apply anymore. This was basically the same as the one above, except the wall run jump forward speed was greater than 0, doesn't apply anymore. Same thing here. So that's really the only thing I have to resolve. I need to find a way to make it overlook this is running is true, because this is only triggered when the right mouse button is pressed. But besides that, it seems to be working. Yeah, I just wanted to, I'm really sick of this this project. I think I chose to do something that's like way beyond like what I can do easily. But I really had this itch to figure this out. So I found the solution. It's not a perfect solution, but it's good enough where I'm not going through the wall anymore. So I just wanted to share that. Hopefully you found that informative. But still, please be on the lookout for future videos because I may come back to this. If I don't, I probably will do other videos. So thanks for watching anyways.